Tell me something that's pretty unique that has happened that you've had to deal with in your career so far that
Yeah.
was pretty typical, or you're like, how am I going to handle this one?
So that's, a lot of people, not to kind of go around your question, I'll get to it, but I think what's important is a lot of people make movies of lawyers, real estate agents, mortgage
Doctors.
brokers, doctors, firefighters. There's a lot of things, right? So when you think of insurance brokers or insurance, you're like, oh my goodness, no
There's no
thanks.
movies about
I
you.
don't want to deal with these people. Number one, it's always a problem. I never see anything. They're fraudulent. There's this, there's that. Like, there's a lot of bad publicity about it, right? Um, However, the industry as a whole, as being somebody who's grown up around it and is entrenched in it for the last 10 years, it's a very, very interesting industry. I can tell you that not one single day has been the same. Not one single account that I have has been the same. You think, like, the comment homogenous, like if you have a homogenous bunch of clients, then it's all going to be the same. I've got a whole bunch of homogenous companies that I do insurance for, and they're with all different kinds of different carriers because not any one is the same and not any insurance product is the same and the needs. And so there's a lot that goes into it. What I do is not sell insurance. I am more of a consultant. I talk
Right.
to them about,
Same
hey,
here.
this is what it is that you should have or should want. This is what we can get you or may not be able to get you with today's insurance market. Uh, but ultimately, it's about their needs, their wants, and what they feel comfortable with. Some people have money in the bank where, if something were to happen, they're okay taking on that risk because they've saved enough money. Some people don't look at it that way, and so they purchase insurance for things that are tangible, property insurance. Maybe they take a smaller deductible. People with maybe a little extra money in the bank, maybe they can take larger deductibles on their home because they're not as worried about the risk. So,
Hmm.
it's about transfer of risk, whether it's you, the individual that's buying the insurance, or whether you are going to transfer that risk onto the carrier. Either way, someone's going to pay for it, whether it be you as the consumer or the insurance carrier. So that's ultimately kind of what I do and what I explain to clients, and we just try and give them as much information as we can so that they can be informed about it and make a decision that ultimately is what they want out of the
Hmm.
insurance product. So